Ready to unlock a new revenue stream for your website? Let's dive into accepting crypto payments on your WordPress site, opening your business to a global audience first. Log into your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for your website. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu and click Add New. This is where we'll find a plugin to handle our crypto transactions. In the search bar, type in a reputable crypto payment gateway plugin. Coinbase Commerce or Blockonomics are popular choices, but research which best fits your needs today. We'll demonstrate with the ABC Crypto Payment plugin. Find the ABC Crypto Payment plugin and click Install Now, and then click Activate. Once the installation is complete, this activates the plugin and adds its features to your WordPress site. Now, find the ABC Crypto Payment plugin in your WordPress menu and access the settings page. This is where we'll configure the plugin to connect to your crypto wallet. You'll need to connect your crypto wallet by entering the required information, such as API keys provided by your chosen wallet provider, or by directly inputting wallet addresses. Ensure you are using secure and verified wallet information. If you're using WooCommerce, go to your product edit page, scroll down to the product data section, then click on the Payments tab. Look for the crypto payment options provided by the ABC Crypto Payment plugin and enable it for this product. When customers reach the checkout, they'll now see the crypto payment option. Upon selecting it, they'll receive instructions to send the required amount of cryptocurrency to the address you've specified. Back in your WordPress dashboard, the ABC Crypto Payment plugin provides a transaction management section where you can monitor incoming payments, check their status, and confirm successful transactions. And that's it. You're now accepting crypto payments on your WordPress site, making your business more accessible and future-proof. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials.